everyone, it's XObrytanni.
Anybody got a makeup party? It's only one XO.
Oh. Hello everyone, it's XObrytanni.
Alright, what's up guys, Brittany here and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys may know, Valentine's Day is literally right around the corner, literally like a couple of days away, and you're like, well, looking for you guys, I have great things that you can get for your significant other. The great thing about this video is that it is a unisex video, so you can get this whether you're dating a guy or a girl. Either person is going to be happy with whatever that gift would be. If you are not sure that you are rock solid with this person, don't go out buying them anything. They are not worth your time nor your money to be buying something for Valentine's Day with hopes that they're getting you something, or with hopes that you buying them this is gonna make them want to be with you. Like, even for my guys who's trying to be with a girl, solidify that first, so then that y'all can both just know, hey, let's get each other gifts to celebrate us. If you are not their priority, they are not yours. Period. So the first thing that we have on the list of what to get your boo for Valentine's Day is, of course, the obvious smell goods. You can easily go to TJ Maxx, Ross, what's some other place like Marshalls, things like that, where they're gonna have you know, discounted smell goods. I even have a Guess perfume that I think I got for maybe like $30 or $40 from TJ Maxx, and it smells like amazing, and it actually stays on all day. A woman can definitely appreciate her smell goods because she wants to always smell good and always smell good for her man, always smell good when you're passing by anybody. I love just like being able to have somebody walk past me and they're with, you're just like, dang, they smell good. That's how I want to be. That's the last impression that I want to give when I walk past somebody. It's like, oh, she smell good. And basically, you can get it at those designer stores that like they have the designer stuff, but it's like for discounted prices. And even for the guys, they have great like Gucci colognes. I don't think you have to technically get name brand cologne. You could definitely get some it doesn't necessarily have to be the expensive name brand that can still smell good. Ladies, you know what you want your man to smell like, and at the end of the day, if they use it, you know what I'm saying, it's gonna be smelling good for you. And guys, you know what you want your lady to smell like. So, you know, it can't be too hard of a thing of, oh, maybe they're not gonna like the scent. Like, you should be able to know your person enough as well to be able to tell, you know, if that's the kind of thing that they'll like. The next thing you can maybe get somebody as a gift is some type of picture for memory. And I don't just mean like a picture in a frame, like, oh, this is us. I mean, sometimes that's cute for relationships who are, you know, just beginning. You know, you want to have that picture of your significant other in your room or at your work office or wherever the case may be. But something that has pictures in it. So maybe if you do like a collage, if you're going to do a picture frame, maybe doing like a collage of like, it's a bunch of like cute pictures that y'all had a great time at. Not just some pictures like, oh, I'm taking a picture in the bathroom, we gonna take this pic. Like, maybe that specific night y'all had the funniest thing happen to both of y'all. You know what I'm saying? Like, things like that that will, if you look at it, it's building a memory. Some other things that you can get involving pictures, you can get a customizable case or a customizable controller for the guys. I've seen plenty of people where they've had like themselves on it, or they'll have like them and their significant other on it, but you can put like pictures, either that collage picture or that one specific picture, as an actual phone case. So I thought that was really cute. You can also get it as a cover too. I saw my friend, she was talking about what to get her guy for Christmas, and I was thinking like, maybe you can customize it with an actual picture, and she did. And so I don't know if she got it for him, but I definitely thought that that was a cool idea to do for somebody. You know, all guys do is play the game, so that's like honestly the perfect gift. Even a scrapbook would be pretty cool of you saying saying like, oh, this was 3 months, this is our first movie date, you know, just some cute things like that, just showing memories and showing that you guys have been together for so long and that the love is still there. Definitely something really cute that either guy or girl would be a great gift. And speaking of things being customized, ladies, I know a lot of guys usually don't have wallets because they don't see the importance of it yet. Swanky Badger is actually a place that you can go and get a wallet customized. You can actually get like a quote or like something cute that you would like to say to your significant other imprinted into that wallet. You can also customize M&Ms. My mom has done that for us. She's gotten like our picture on it. She's gotten just things like love you, Brit. It would definitely be a good idea as far as customizing something to get your significant other for Valentine's Day. There's so many different things that you can customize. T-shirts, jackets, you know, anything thoughtful. And lastly, another thing that you can get for your Valentine is definitely some type of body wash set. I know me personally, I want the body wash, I want the soap, I want the perfume, I want it all, okay? I want to specifically, like I said, smell goods is just something that a girl and a guy I do not think would be able to give up. Like just smelling good, using great products to make you smell good is going to always be cool. So I know ladies, you could probably go get like Axe or something like that from Target or Walmart. If you're trying to get a present for the ladies, just anything from Bath & Body Works or like Victoria's Secret. If you guys are ever kind of confused on like where to go to maybe get some Valentine's Day gifts, definitely going to those places that I mentioned earlier, like Ross, Target, TJ Maxx, Burlington. I just love those type of stores because they have such high-end things and such great quality things for such a sustainable and reasonable price. Like I said, I got a perfume, a Guess perfume, which was probably like $80 or $100. I was able to get that for like 50 to 70% off, you know. So that's like the great things about those retail stores. So you definitely want to go check some things out there. They'll have some good options for you. You can even do some type of sleepwear. I know that always makes like a cute add-on gift. And of course you want to get some type of teddy bear. You can't do Valentine's Day without teddy bear and flowers, so that make sure that's not the only thing that you're getting them, but that could definitely be like, you know, of course the cliche part of the Valentine's Day stuff. So I really am sorry if I just rambled right through this video. I really hope I was able to give you guys some helpful things. This is kind of like my first time dealing with this set, so I'm really trying to get used to it and trying to see, you know, if this is what I'm liking. I also have my backdrop over there, so I might have some different backgrounds going for you guys. Let me know what you all think about this. Like I said, let me know how you're feeling it. If you like the XO and the Marilyn, I know you can barely see her, but you know, we're just trying to get something going in this room. My sister asked me earlier, she's like, what satisfaction do you get out of talking to yourself on camera? Because that's what you're basically doing, talking to yourself on camera. And I was like, dang, Brianna, you're right. So I hope those were some good ideas that you guys can hopefully find to do for your significant other. Of course, the last thing you can do is bake something, cook something, buy some food for them and make an amazing dinner. You know, if you're a good cook, this is the perfect time to do that. If you're not a good cook, I would still suggest it. I did it for my girlfriend last Valentine, and she actually ended up enjoying it, but she did tell me my shrimp was too salty, so I had to, you know. But it was a learning experience, basically, you know. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are enjoying the set. Hope you guys are enjoying the content uploads. I really hope that I can just be able to get that content out for you guys again. My battery's dead, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. But yeah, make sure you guys are subscribed. Thumbs up this video if you like it. If you want more sit down videos, talking to you guys, getting to know you guys, y'all getting to know me, let me know. What do you guys want to see from me? Let me know in the comments below. Also, in the comments below, put down any questions that you may have. I want to do a Q&A. Everybody's been asking me to do a Q&A. They've been asking me stuff about cheer, personal life, relationships. So any question that you want to ask, put it down below. Make sure you comment it under this video, okay?